My name is Andrew Dykeshorn, Battalion Chief with Cheyenne Fire and Rescue. This morning we are doing some preventative maintenance on our ladder truck downtown here at Station 1. The crew's going to go ahead and set the ladder up, and we'll walk you through the process. First and foremost, the crews are go ahead and stabilizing the aerial right now. We call these outriggers. We have some pads on the ground. This helps keep the base of the ladder stable when we put the ladder up, and keeps the truck from rocking and tipping over when the crews are in the air doing their job. We have two operator positions on the aerial itself. There's a platform and a console in the back, and then there's some controls in the basket as well for our crews to move the ladder up and down and extend it, rotate it. We're always obviously concerned with safety, so we wear all our proper PPE, including ladder belts, which help us stay in the device itself and keep us from falling out. Looks like Engineer Delay is going to go ahead and get into the basket and be our forward operator for those controls. The aerial device is a 100-foot device. It goes in the air about 100 feet, fully extended. Has two Master Stream nozzles on the front, as well as some other accessories like spotlights and a sprinkler valve on the bottom, some floodlights, things like that for us to be able to work through. Again, our morning check, we just make sure that the ladder looks good, that it can rotate efficiently through all its angles and the full 360 degrees around the truck. It's also a good way to get a great view of Cheyenne in the morning. We have some communication systems from the basket down to the pedestal. It's an automatic speaker so that the operators can hear each other. Make sure that the operator's job in the bottom is to spot the aerial and make sure it's not going to hit any obstructions or have any other complications like power lines, anything like that. You do have some blind spots when you're up in the air, so we want to make sure that our crews are nice and safe. We also have some breathing air supply up there in the basket, and our crews have masks up there so that they can hook into a breathing air supply if they need, instead of wearing their bear pack. Like I stated before, we have two Master Stream devices on the basket. They're supplied by a central waterway up the middle of the aerial there. It's got a 2,000 gallon per minute pump, so each of these nozzles can flow 1,000 gallons a minute. We obviously have to use our fire hydrants to accommodate that kind of water supply. But we have a great water supply system here in Cheyenne, and thanks to Board of Public Utilities, they maintain it and take care of it for us. They do a great job.